Yo, what up guys? Welcome to another King's Mr. Raz vlog. Today we are going to be helping Mo install an airlift system on his Mustang. So the plan for today, before we head to the garage, we got to pick up socks. I'm expecting a shipment of 1,000 socks to arrive and I have to clear it myself. So I have to go to the customs agency or the customs freight services and I have to fill in some paperwork before they can release it. This is just so they can prevent drug smuggling, but shouldn't take more than half an hour. So we do that. I have to run a couple of errands, drop off a couple of packages and pick up some more shipping supplies. And I mean, looking outside, it looks pretty nice out. So for me, if the sun is out, I'm happy. Let's just get this day started. So we ran a couple of errands this morning, both me and Simon. Picked up the KMR socks. So we got 1,000 socks here. Super stoked to see how these turned out. Ooh, beautiful day. Let's go snow skating. This is my little track, bro. Ready? Oh, they're peeking, bro. It actually says King's Mr. Raz on the box. Oh no, this is a printout. We're stocked on socks. Woohoo! Damn, son. Alright, so my goal is to make it from there all the way down. So I'm gonna put some snow back. Maybe a little here. And some over there. Shoveling snow back on the driveway. No way. Yo. Right, we're supposed to be moving this into the garage too. But it doesn't look like Mo's here. Oh, what? Yo. How long were you waiting, man?
Oh, just like 5-10 minutes.
Okay, good. This isn't running winters right now. He was having troubles. Woo! Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just a little push. So close. Yeah. Slowly. You're good, man. Yeah. Go perfect, man.
Should I go back more?
Shit, dude, I'm excited for you.
Thanks, man.
Fuck. It's gonna come in so handy.
Oh yeah. I wanted to just do what I did last time, just get coils.
Yeah.
I'm done with banging shit up.
Yeah. Well, this is gonna be forever, right? This time. Yours. Damn. Simon played around with the wiring on these. They just got loose, but they should be working now. Hey. Oh, I can't wait to drive this thing. It's been too long. Alright, we're at the garage and this is it. This is Mo's beast. and it's already vinyl wrapped. Such a pretty color. So if you guys aren't keeping up to date with this build, Mo is the owner of the white JDM style Mustang that last year he was installing his Battle Arrow spoiler, but that car actually got into an accident, completely destroyed. So he upgraded to this thing, and he's going pretty quick. He's already got it wrapped. He has wheels, he said, and I think they're going to be bringing that in a little bit. So today we're probably going to be test fitting his new wheels as well. But the project for today is Simon's going to be helping him install this airlift system. Here's the entire kit. This is going to be Simon's first time installing this, so everyone's going to be learning today. But by the end of today, or however long this installation takes, this thing is going to be bagged. And I also plan on filming the entire process of the installation for the Lost Royalty channel. So this video is going to be more vloggy, and the other video, which I'm going to be filming on the A7S2, is going to be more for educational purposes, so that you guys at home who would like to install your own airlift system by yourself have something to follow. Let's do this. Thank you. Yo, how's it going, guys?
Already, right?
Yes, pleasure. Nice to meet you.
Alpha, nice to meet you.
Yeah, so actually we're in the vinyl shop.
Yeah, okay, figured.
Yeah, well, nice to meet you.
Absolutely, huh?
Finally.
Thanks for stopping by, guys. Yeah.
I'll send you for this.
Hey, thank you. Awesome, man.
Yeah.
That's car.
Okay, we'll talk to you later.
Definitely. Yeah, thanks for listening.
Yeah.
Take care, guys. Thanks. Sweet. Yeah.
Nice.
That's cool. Sup. Alright, so we're about to start filming. I have to prep my camera gear. So you guys right there. Okay, I got this thing not too long ago, and this is going to be the future of this company, kinda. So hopefully the batteries are charged on this, because I haven't actually used it in a while, but I've played around with it, and it's pretty straightforward. Batteries in, and this thing actually does its job. I've tested it out. It can handle the 70D, which is a little bit heavier than other DSLRs, but this is what we're going to be using for this tutorial video. It's just as heavy as the 70D because it's using a glass lens, but the 16-35 is going to be pretty versatile for what we're going to be using it for. And I do have the lens adapter, so we can use Canon lenses with it as well if need be. So I brought the 50mm for close-up shots just in case. And we're actually going to be using the microphone for this too. Sony cameras are known to not have the greatest sound quality. The only thing is, you have to make sure it's on, because I've used this before and I've filmed full videos and none of them it never had sound. So I've gotten used to setting this Xeon crane up. It takes roughly around 5 minutes to actually get it weighted perfectly. You still want it to be fully supported, so gotta find a good balance. Oh, that's close. I think it looks... Oh, thanks, dude. Hey. So we got this.
Just go with the tape.
So once you turn it on, it should stabilize itself. 1, 2. There you go. And we're in business. Let's go. Badass. I really like the design too. It has like characters right there. Just
That's
looks cool. Is it?
So professional.
Super stable. Okay, so we're just gonna film a quick intro. We can kind of slowly get started here. Ta-da! All the parts laid out for this project. Chain. So, I filmed first little scene, just an introductory and exactly what's going to be happening in the tutorial video. This thing's a beast, man. I'll show you guys some of the footage that I took with this just now. Okay, we have to refilm that part because I completely forgot to turn on the microphone. I called it too, man. A few different settings on it, so if you want, you can have the camera so that it's completely stable and just set in one space. Or, if you don't have a microphone and it's more free, you can have it follow like with a small delay after you turn it. And that's what I have it set at right now. And it's perfect for these kinds of videos where you're having to follow the person. So, or the subject for that matter. It can be just a stationary object like a car. Yo, Mo. You need help?
Yeah.
Oh, you did a good job, dude.
I'll stretch it like down.
Alright.
This way.
Heat and stretch. Alright, one sec. Some of the components out of the box, and Mo's come blessed us with some Ah! Yo, are these all the same?
No.
Oh, that's regular. Okay, R. I was like, what does R stand for? Alrighty. So now, just doing a couple of glamour shots with the crane. For a little squirty squirt. Music to my ears. Tisk tisk. Yo, Lewis. This thing. What did you just call me? Okay. Yeah. Look at this. What the?
Is that going in the vlog?
Yeah. Do you want it to be? Oh, guys.
Are we allowed to swear in the vlog? Maybe.
I don't know. Let me ask. Okay, are we?
We're just being ourselves.
Okay, guys, are we allowed to swear on the vlogs? It's up to you. Comment down in comment section. We only ever swear when we're frustrated, okay? But we don't go out of our way to swear, okay? Okay? Keep it kid friendly. Here it is. Lego for grown-ups. This particular kit system has an app built for it, so you can control it using your phone. Nardo Gray. This is actually such a nice color. Simple, grayscale, but still a really beautiful color. In its own special way. Day 76 of wrapping Shane's car. Piece by piece, man. Just trying to figure out where to put the compressor. And this is where Simon's decided to install it too. So it's still out of the way. Still get a lot of space back here. You can still fit like 2 bodies in there.
That's fast.
Yeah, Nick has a product.
Yeah, the plastic.
feel like it's all you're missing is a carbon fiber hood, bruh. Coming soon to a theater near you. Wanna watch Black Panther after this? It's been out for a couple of weeks. I haven't seen it yet, and I really wanna see it. Okay, let's see how the installation, see how the lift system installation's going. Whoop whoop. All right, so the compressor didn't end up fitting in its usual space, so they are compensating and just putting a piece of board that they're gonna drill it into underneath this canister, and should still give him some room back here. Keep it clean, keep it mean. There goes everything.
You want to just like pull up on it?
Sure.
Keep on it.
Be patient and you'll be prosperous. Finished. Well, not really. Actually, all we're really waiting on is a carbon fiber hood, which we ordered for Shane's G, but at least both sides are completely vinyl wrapped with this super stubborn chrome stuff. I don't recommend you using it. It's fragile to work with, and if you heat it up too much and overstretch it, it will become a little more translucent, and you can see it in some areas. Actually, on second thought, I'm not going to show you the imperfections on this. We did a really good job, and there are no mistakes.
Feel some nuts.
If you want, man, you can use those 3 up there. I don't really use those ones.
Sounds good. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no worries, man. No flash photography, please, sir. A-okay for the day. So Simon's pretty much just set himself up, ready to start on day 2 for tomorrow's. Installed a few of the components. Yeah. So the rest is just actually throwing on the airbags, brah. Yeah, we're gonna continue tomorrow. Probably finish up at the garage for the day. I think, yeah, we're just gonna call it a night at the garage. So we're all hungry. We're gonna grab some Thai food. Alright, back home. And I'm just gonna end this video here, guys. Yeah, tomorrow, okay, first of all, Mo's car is completely prepped. Tomorrow we're gonna finish the install on the airbag system, and yeah, pretty much it. Oh, one big announcement. Me and Simon, who you all know as Derby FRS, are heading off to Hawaii to meet up with a couple of our car buddies. And one of our friends who we met in Japan, Atsuro, is also gonna be there. So we're all gonna have this meetup in Hawaii. So really looking forward to that. If any of you guys reside in Honolulu, we will see you guys there. For now, thank you for watching as usual, and I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.